Hey friends, it's Jackson Stephen Allen from my YouTube channel. It's all about movies. Okay, today, kids, we're gonna talk about the movie Marty Supreme. Um, I got to see it on January 19th on Monday night with a friend. Um, and I really want to let everybody know that, how I say this, to the first couple of scenes, just nuance about there. There's some very, very awkward scenes for the movie. Um, and one of my favorite actors, characters, or whatever was in it. I really liked it. I liked how he did it and stuff. And his name is, it's hard to say it, but that's his name right here. I can't say it right, but it's really hard to say it. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. Guys, here on Monday night with a friend, and I had a blast watching it. Um, and again, it was 3 hours long. Um, and I want to say my two favorite scenes from that movie, Marty Supreme, is when they did the whole ping pong, back and forth. Um, there's a bunch of those scenes. Um, and I also liked the history about it. Um, I didn't know that it's based on from Japanese. No, that in that world. Um, but yeah. Uh, I don't know. I don't totally recommend watching this movie at home, but I recommend watching um, at the movie theater. It was incredible. Um, and yeah, and then I also like the orange balls, that go back and forth kind of thing. Um, but other than that, that's kind of it for that movie. Um, and okay, people, here we go. Here's my ratings. Um, I actually give it a 6 out of 10. I'm sorry. But it's just awkward. There's some awkward scenes in it. Um, so yeah. Um, that's why I wanted to put it out there. 6 out of 10. Um, and go see the movie. And it's still available. So yeah, again, it's on today's a Thursday night on January 22nd at 11:21 p.m. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna say right now. And then the movie. Yeah, that's it for Marty Supreme. Gotta see you on Monday night on January 19th. And yeah, that's it, folks. I'll keep you guys posted for the Mr. movie. That was also a random movie too that I saw. That's also my first Mr. movie, just to let you guys know. So here it comes the second mystery movie. Here we go. Talk to you later. Bye.